the top vitamin to prevent feeling tired and gain more energy. Inside your body, there are tiny powerhouses called mitochondria. They make over 90% of the energy your body uses. If these powerhouses don't have the right nutrients, you'll start feeling tired and worn out, even if you sleep a lot. But don't worry, there are natural ways to make these powerhouses produce more energy. This will help you feel more awake and active during the day. One of the most important vitamins needed to produce this form of energy is called thiamine, also known as vitamin B1. Let's talk about thiamine in today's video. Just a quick reminder, this video is for educational purposes only. Please consult your doctor if you have any medical concerns. So, what is vitamin B1? Thiamine is a water-soluble vitamin that comes from different foods. We need to get at least 1.1 milligrams of it per day to meet our requirements. Vitamin B1 helps to turn the carbohydrates, proteins, and fats you eat into usable energy inside your mitochondria. However, the problem is that it's only stored for a short time, so you have to keep getting it from your food. B1 acts as a coenzyme, speeding up and triggering reactions in the Krebs cycle to produce energy in your cells. When you have enough B1, you'll usually feel energized, stable, and alert, as it helps provide energy to your brain cells, heart cells, and all other organs and muscles. It also plays an important role in protecting your nerves against damage and in building serotonin and other neurotransmitters that can make you feel happy and in a state of well-being. Vitamin B1 can also be produced by friendly bacteria that live inside your large intestine. Signs of B1 deficiency. People who don't have enough B1 in their bodies will find that they feel tired and fatigued, no matter how much sleep they get. They also often feel more anxious or stressed because B1 is needed to help turn off the fight or flight response. If you have low B1, you may also have a higher heart rate, over 100 beats per minute when you're at rest. You may find that you wake up between 2 to 3 a.m., struggling to sleep and overthinking. You could also potentially have digestive problems like acid reflux, GERD, or constipation, as B1 is needed to control various glands and valves in the digestive system. Causes of B1 deficiency. Most people are getting more than enough B1 from their foods, such as meats, eggs, and fish. However, the main cause of deficiency is actually eating too many refined foods containing sugar or flour. These foods deplete B1 stores as they lack the usual nutrients found in natural foods. Items like biscuits, pastries, breads, crackers, sweets, sodas, juices, jams, syrups, etc., can all deplete vitamin B1, causing tiredness and fatigue. Caffeine and tannins found in coffee, tea, soda, and energy drinks also deplete B1 and overstimulate the nervous system. Long-term emotional stress can raise blood sugar levels, reducing B1 stores and leading to burnout and muscle loss, especially in older men. Alcoholic drinks can block B1 absorption, and certain drugs like antacids, antibiotics, birth control pills, or diabetes medications can also deplete B1. Now, let's explore how you can boost your energy levels and stop feeling tired with vitamin B1. Start consuming foods naturally rich in B1 on a daily basis, including organic pork, sunflower seeds, garlic, squash, asparagus, mussels, and the best of all, nutritional yeast flakes. These foods also contain other minerals and nutrients that work with B1 to enhance energy production in your mitochondria. Cut back on refined foods that deplete your B1 stores, especially those with refined sugar like sweets, soda, drinks, pastries, biscuits, and chocolate. Also, avoid eating too much white rice, as the outer bran containing B1 was removed in the refining process. Wild rice is a healthier alternative. Start taking a daily supplement containing 50 mg of allithiamine or 13 mg of thiamine carboxylase to increase your energy output. These are more effective versions of vitamin B1 that can help replenish your B1 stores, providing a calm flow of energy with better mental focus and alertness. Focus on eating more meals with whole, unrefined foods, such as red meats, leafy greens, and eggs. These provide iron, folate, and vitamin B12, which boost red blood cells to transport oxygen to your mitochondria, working together with vitamin B1 to create cellular energy and prevent constant tiredness. I also recommend consuming lots of probiotic-rich foods like sauerkraut, kimchi, pickles, or kefir. These fermented foods populate your gut with friendly microbes that produce more vitamin B1 inside your large intestine, particularly when fed with soluble fiber from vegetables, seeds, nuts, and fruits. Energy boosting recipe. Here are 2 powerful energy boosting recipes you can use daily to stop feeling tired and become more energized and alert. ALB Energy Drink. 1 whole avocado. 2 cups of water. 1 whole unwaxed lemon, including peel, pith, and seeds. 1 cup of blueberries. 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt. Blend all these ingredients in a high-powered blender until smooth and drink with a straw. This health tonic is rich in magnesium, potassium, monounsaturated fat, and vitamin C, which strengthen your mitochondria and provide a natural, lasting energy boost. 1. Energy source sauce. 1 cup of unfortified nutritional yeast flakes. 1/3 cup of apple cider vinegar. 1/3 cup of extra virgin olive oil. 1/3 cup of soy sauce. A pinch of garlic powder. 1 green onion, optional. 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt. Combine these ingredients in a mason jar and blend with a stick or immersion blender. Use this energy sauce or dressing on salads, meats, or wild rice. It's loaded with B vitamins, acetic acid, and monounsaturated fats, helping your body recover from stress and boosting energy. Thank you for watching this video. As always, I wish you great health, wealth, and happiness.